Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my new video. Friends, what I'm going to tell you in this video is very much interesting because in this video I'm going to tell you potentially invention that never came to. So friends, let's get start a video without any delay. And the first one is global wireless power. Tesla, the Serbian inventor, is credited with many life-changing inventions, including alternating current. But one of his greatest idea, unfortunately, never took off. Tesla boasted he had a plan for a low-cost global power and communication system. He claimed this system would allow for the transmission of electric energy without wires on a global scale. The worldwide system would also allow for point-to-point wireless communication and broadcasting. He spoke publicly about the idea from mid 1890s onward, and by the end of 1900 he had secured funding for the project from the banker J.P. Morgan. However, due to many reasons, including a withdrawal of funding from Morgan, the project was um, abandoned in 1906 and never resurrected. And the next one is Chronovision. In 1972, an Italian newspaper shocked the world when it published a detail of a secret machine held by the Vatican in Rome called Chronovision. The machine reportedly let its user see into the past. The article explained that the machine allowed priests and officials to see important events in the past, including the death of Jesus. It was reportedly invented by Father Pellegrino Maria Ernetti in the 1950s. Originally a physicist, Ernetti later became a priest and took his invention with him into the Vatican. Despite there being no proof the invention exists, many believe it is still being used today deep in the vault of the Vatican. And our next one is starlight. Many inventions are created by enthusiastic amateurs. Starlight, an incredibly heat-resistant magical material, is one of them. Developed by amateur chemist and hairdresser Morris Ward in the 1980s, the material is said to be able to withstand extreme heat and act as both an insulator and protectant. Ward claimed that starlight was able to withstand an attack by a laser beam and could protect a human hand from being burned by a blowtorch at close range. Ward died in 2011 and took the search of secret of starlight composition to the grave with him. He reportedly only told the close member how to create the incredible product, but so far there have been no effort to commercially produce it. And our next one is flexible glass. Flexible glass is said to have been invented during the reign of the Roman Emperor Tiberius Caesar between 14 to 37 AD. The story goes that a craftsman presented a glass cup to Caesar, who, after drinking from it, threw it to the ground. Only the glass didn't shatter, it only dented, which was quickly fixed by the craftsman with a small hammer. Caesar asked the master craftsman if he had shared the secret of his invention with anyone else, to which he replied no. Caesar then immediately ordered for the man to be killed and his workshop burned down, so the secret of the miraculous product could never be shared. Many people say Kaiser was scared the flexibility product would devalue gold and other material. And the next one is palladium cigarette. The palladium cigarette, also known as the XA cigarette, was reportedly invented by Legit Myers in the 1950s. The cigarette was made in a way that could reduce the toxic side effect of regular cigarette, making the habit much less deadly over time. However, the story goes that the cigarette company, despite spending over $10 million on research and development for the product, eventually abandoned the idea for fear of large amount of civil lawsuits against them for selling the unhealthy cigarette. It is suspected that Legitmite did want to break rank with other large tobacco corporations like Benson and Hedges, who they often joined force with to lobby. And after some time, Legit Myers mysteriously died. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. Comment us your best invention that would change the world if they come, and we will meet in next video. For that, take care.